I had no clue coming into high school what I was gonna do. I always told my parents, I wanna be a cop, or like, I wanna be a lawyer, something that every kid like knows what that means. And then my freshman year, I took Culinary 1, and like, I liked it, but like, it wasn't like solidified for me. And then even sophomore year when I took Culinary 2, it was the same thing. Like, I enjoyed cooking, and like, it was a skill that I knew I would need, but it wasn't like the thing like that clicked for me that I wanted to do in life. And then when I took Brickview, that's when it like clicked, like having like that environment of a restaurant compared to just like a kitchen. That's what I loved, like the busy restaurant feel. I feel very prepared for college, especially culinary school. The program prepared me, Michigan prepared me. What other schools have a restaurant? Like, if there was preparation that I could ask for, it's here, you know? Having real restaurant experience. I mean, I'm certified like in a restaurant because of this class. I define NFA as a high school, but actually a college. And that's what I tell everyone about NFA is like, I go to high school on a college campus pretty much. I don't think I know one other person that has to walk a quarter mile from one class to another, you know? That's probably like the first thing I go to when I explain NFA. My NFA experience was amazing. You know, like I said, having so many people to talk to and so many different opportunities is like what led me to going to culinary school after high school. You know, having a restaurant on campus, that experience alone changed my life, you know? Like, that's what is encouraging me to do what I'm doing after high school. So I couldn't ask for a better experience, honestly. I love my time here, and like, I'll be sad to leave, especially like leaving all my friends, but I'm definitely excited to move on to like bigger things because yeah, I'm taking culinary here, but like I also am taking all the other classes versus in culinary school, I'll be able to pursue like what I love full time. And like NFA got me ready for that, but I'm ready to focus on that full time.